Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you in-depth insights into the world of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of software development. Whether you're an aspiring developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about how your favorite apps and programs come to life, this video is for you. We'll cover the fundamentals, the development process, and the future of software development. So, let's get started. What is software development? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's begin with the basics. What exactly is software development? Simply put, it's the process of creating, designing, testing, and maintaining software applications and systems. Software developers are the creative minds behind the computer programs and mobile apps that power our digital world. The key players software development is a team effort. There are several key players involved in bringing a software project to life. Developers. These are the code wizards who write the instructions that make software work. They use various programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and many others. Designers. They focus on the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, aspects of the software. They ensure that the software is visually appealing and user-friendly. Quality assurance, QA, testers. QA testers rigorously test the software to identify and fix bugs, ensuring it functions smoothly. Project managers. They oversee the entire development process, ensuring that the project stays on track, on time, and within budget. Customers and stakeholders. Their input and feedback are crucial throughout the development process to ensure the software aligns with the intended purpose and goals. The software development lifecycle now. Let's talk about the software development lifecycle, often abbreviated as SDLC. This is the process that guides the creation of software from concept to deployment. There are several SDLC models, but we'll discuss the most common one, the waterfall model. Planning. This is the initial phase where project requirements are gathered, goals are set, and a project plan is created. Design. During this phase, developers and designers collaborate to create a blueprint of the software, deciding how it will look and function. Maintenance. Post-launch, the software is regularly updated and maintained to ensure it remains functional and secure. Programming languages. A crucial aspect of software development is the choice of programming languages. There are countless programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and use cases. Let's briefly explore a few. Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is widely used for web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. JavaScript. The language of the web, JavaScript is essential for building interactive websites and web applications. Java. Java is known for its portability, making it suitable for developing cross-platform applications. C++. Often used for system software and game development, C++ offers high performance and control over hardware. Swift. Designed by Apple for iOS and macOS app development, Swift is known for its speed and safety. Challenges in software development. Software development isn't all rainbows and unicorns. There are challenges that developers often face, changing requirements. As projects evolve, so do the requirements. Developers must adapt to these changes. Bug hunting. Finding and fixing bugs can be time-consuming and frustrating. Security concerns. With cyber threats on the rise, software security is a top priority. Maintaining legacy systems. Older software may need to be maintained even as new projects emerge. The future of software development. The software development landscape is continually evolving. Here's a glimpse into the future. AI and machine learning integration. AI-powered development tools will become more common, automating repetitive tasks and enhancing code quality. Quantum computing. Once fully realized, quantum computing could revolutionize software development by solving complex problems at incredible speeds. Blockchain. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology will be used for secure and transparent data management. Remote collaboration. Remote work and collaboration tools will continue to shape the way development teams work together. And there you have it, an overview of the vast and exciting world of software development. Whether you're a budding developer or simply intrigued by the magic behind your favorite apps, there's always something new to learn in this ever-evolving field. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech-related content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.